So it's Wednesday, April 28th. 8th? One of those days. I'm at the shop with my current Built by Bonzai project, which is right behind me. I got to ride it this weekend on Monday at Gateway Park, and it was a good bike. It was fun, but there is something about it, the big Honzo, that I don't know. The Honzo keeps nagging at me. So I do have the Honzo ST frame still. So what I'm going to do today is swap my parts over to the Honzo ST from the big Honzo ST and give that a ride in my search for the perfect hardtail. And I believe the Honzo ST is going to win. And if that's the case, I will be doing a custom paint job on it at some point, swapping all my parts over and making it look awesome. But right now, here is the current finished project of the big Honzo. Got the RockShox Pike Ultimate with some custom vinyl detail. Ultimately, I really want the fork to be purple. Got some onyx hubs with custom logo engraving. Race face arc 35 offset rims with some Maxxis Recon Plus tires. Some Supacaz purple silicone grips. I was going to do ESI, but nobody has them right now. Some Guide Ultimates. Industry 9 stem with a race face carbon Next R handlebar. Bonzai, of course. Supacaz top cap in the oil slick with some wolf tooth purple headset spacers. Some race face carbon Next R cranks in purple with the purple chainring. I've got the SRAM XX1 axis derailleur and cassette setup now with the rainbow cassette and chain, the wireless axis derailleur, wireless axis shifter, which honestly is the best shifting performance I've ever had, custom tube wrap, and again another onyx hub with custom logo engraving, as well as on both wheels some purple nipples. It's kind of bring it all together. And then I had started doing some decal work with some purple vinyl. It came out okay, not great, but it's not bad. Did it there too, which you get the idea. I did it here as well. When I really do my finished project, it's going to be done right. So this is the my current Built by Bonzai dream build for my own personal needs use. And now let's get the frame swapped.